Guys and gals, I'm gonna have to show you something. This is insane. This building blew up. Look at that. Look how insane that is. I think there was a gas leak or something. It's pretty brutal looking. That's a thumbnail right there. That's insane. Look how crazy that looks. I hope nobody died though. Jesus, that's wild. Welcome to Znojmo. Look at that right here. It's a firefighter's car. Really bright. Got the Skoda. It says firefighters. Got the Christmas trees. Let me ask how much they cost. I'm curious. Today is Christmas, the 24th, and some lady left her kid in the car, man. Like a baby. Look at that. Look how insane that is. That's wicked. That's crazy if you ask.